brother. Every time I come to this country, he rock me and he drives me around pretty much. So, it's a nice drive. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and make sure you leave a positive comment. And also don't forget, go subscribe to Cheru's channel, and let's get him to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers. So that's another intersection, I think, going inside the farm. Yeah. So as I was saying, they're using this palm nuts to process oil. So I've not been to the factory since I'm in a hurry and I'm in a haste to go back, and I have deadline to return back to Kenya. So that's why we don't have that time. But as you can see people playing soccer over there. I don't know who's coming out of people's faces, because some people have to you have to maintain privacy for people. So
hello.
So it is what it is. As you can see, they have these thatch houses, beautiful thatch houses, and they have this coconut tree. Even though it's in a village, but people are still building beautiful houses. Hello. Yeah. So as you can see, we're moving ahead, and you see that's a tap. They use that tap basically to fetch water. But I don't know if it's working or not. So basically, these mud houses are built, and it's where I was born. I could say the same mud house I was born in, the same mud house. So subscribe to Gentle's channel and hit the like button, and make sure you go and subscribe to his channel. He's a great guy, the last man standing. And also they have a Cigano channel, and they also have the Only Mayani Chichero. And I told you in other previous videos that you'll be watching, we'll be fighting behind two names, Ansumana Poultry Farm and also Ansumana Farm Smart. So but I think we're going to settle with Ansumana Farm Smart. But yet still, we're working on it, and I'm quite sure that's what we're going to settle down with, because I know people have heard about Ansumana Poultry Farm. So yeah. You are welcome, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. You too, my brother. So you can see that's the checkpoint. We get there, and it's just kind of security measures. We want to track people or track vehicles who are coming in. So security is everywhere. People are just locked in tanks and doing things. So East Africa, we gotta make sure things are working. It's supposed to be working. It's how beautiful our country is. It's not only Kenya that is beautiful, but you can also see the nature that's abroad, the tower. And this one, I'm sure it has been there for a long time if you can see it. I don't know about it, but I'll show you the towers. People believe in big houses here. It's just a nice place. It brings my memory back when I see these small houses. I was born in a mud house, so did everything in the mud house. You see that one with touch. You see, it's built beautifully with all the elegance that you can think of. You see, that's I think these are mosques because you can see that stuff. That's what they used to call prayer with. It's a mosque. Here is all here is all about that.
Yeah, see it.
Right. Here they're all using solar. You can see a brick house. You know what I mean? These people are advancing. You got solar lights. Everything here is just like you're living in the city. It's a big town. We can't call it a village, but it's a big town. Trust me. So the brick houses. People are building, so don't just think like it's only in the city. People are building brick houses. Even in the village, people are building brick villages, towns. People are building brick houses. So just have fun, take a cup of coffee, drink, relax, chill, and ginger beer, whatever it is, soda, chocolate. Yeah, ginger beer, we drank it. It's finished. You never will just finish that ginger beer in bowl. Okay, very soon. This will be important so they can make money. Let me do this thing quick. Yeah, somebody was saying, it's a beautiful scene, man. I'm telling you, school, that's a school. Yeah. That's a school. They call that Jimmy. Show you that so you can see it's really good. That's a school, Jimmy. I think so, yeah. So there's the water. See? That same stuff when I was back in the village. I walk on the streets. I used to do like 3 miles, going and selling back and forth with my mom in the villages, coming back home in Blama. Let's go Blama. I'm gonna show you Blama town. Trust me, I'm gonna show you Blama town. Blama town is called small book. It's in between Kenema and Bold. Yeah. I was told, well, let me not say I was told, well, I would say I was told the history that Blama is smaller than Kenema. You know, so we'll see. Stay tuned, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and share it, scary notification button. So at any time we upload a video, I'm uploading on the channel. We'll be on this channel even if I'm not there. Like, you know, give me the first people. Don't forget, share the comments. Share the video. Thank you. Stay blessed. Have fun. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, Ansumana Explore.